Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Kia Optima spark plugs. First, prioritize safety by gathering all necessary tools, including a spark plug socket, a torque wrench, and dielectric grease. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical hazards. It is also crucial to allow your engine to cool down completely, which typically takes at least 2 to 3 hours before you begin working on it. This ensures your safety and prevents burns. Now, let's access those spark plugs. You will find 4 ignition coils positioned on top of the engine's valve cover. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connectors from each coil. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the bolts securing each coil. Gently pull each ignition coil straight up to reveal the spark plugs beneath. Finally, use a 5/8" spark plug socket to loosen and remove the old spark plugs from their cylinders. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug to prevent future seizing. Carefully hand-tighten each new spark plug into its cylinder head to avoid cross-threading. Then, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specification, typically between 25 and 30 Newton meters. Finally, reinstall the ignition coils and securely reconnect their electrical connectors. You're almost done. The final steps involve reconnecting the negative battery terminal securely. Once that's done, start your engine and listen carefully for any unusual noises or signs of misfiring. If everything sounds good, take your Kia Optima for a short test drive to ensure smooth engine operation and proper acceleration. Remember to dispose of your old spark plugs responsibly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your spark plugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.